so this is how we start the rollover process. First, we have to get Jackson on his tummy from his back, and he likes it. There he is. Hi, Jackson. Oh, there you go. Okay, and then he's going to get all the way. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Whoops. Okay, there he goes. Whoa. So there's our little guy. Here he is. There he is. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jackson. Hi. Hi. Can you roll over for us? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, roly-poly. There he goes. He goes. There he goes. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. I'm going to try and look at that facial expression. Wow. Look at that facial expression. You can do it, Jackson. He's already done it many times. But this is the one chance we're going to get it on video. That's right. Look at this. Who's it? Here, Jackson. Come and get your friend. Here, who's it? Here. Octopus, here. Let's go. At least he's on the, at least he's on his neck or his tummy for such a long time. Almost 2 minutes now. Alright, Jackson, that don't help you. Okay. Yay! Yeah, let's go. That's sweet. Okay, alright. Yeah. Jackson is trying. Jackson's trying. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right. All right. Look at that. Oh, I think he's gonna do it. Oh, this is not easy work. You can see the frustration. This is not easy for a baby. This is very, very difficult stuff. So, viewers, you can't expect this kind of thing to happen rapidly. It takes a lot of concentration, as you can see, tons of concentration and struggles. But he's not giving up. Oh, he's not giving up. Look at that. Look at that expression. Look at that expression. Oh, oh, my goodness. Him and the little flamingo. Yeah, oh. Yeah. Jackson, you can do it. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Oh, I don't think he's gonna make it. Okay. Okay, no more.